There's nothing worse than getting home from a long day's work to find a dusty home, an unmade bed, a dirty bathroom, and you get the picture. Sometimes you need a little help. Sometimes you need us. Hi, we're here to provide you with talented and experienced cleaners who will work their magic while you're working yours during the day. Our team is always happy to help, so don't be surprised if you find them whistling while they work or vacuuming with more enthusiasm than Mrs. Doubtfire. We'll create a personalized checklist based on your home needs and check off every item with squeaky clean love and care. For these reasons, 95% of our customers recommend us to friends and family. Your home is begging to receive our special touch, so don't wait and get a quote on our site today.